Morning, you beautiful people. It's about 6:30 in the morning, and yeah, we're stupidly up doing a bike ride. London Revolution, part 1. John, Tone.
In the hood, blood.
We've already had somebody who's gone through the barrier and took the bikes off because the barrier was too low, so...
And now we're going to drive past him without laughing.
Ow! See you in a bit. We'll update you when we start. 50 quid, eh? 50, 60 quid. We're on the start.
We're on the mark.
We're on the bike. Well, not quite actually. John's still packing stuff up. But we're here. Massive queues for petrol stations. Unbelievable. Loads of petrol stations shut, no petrol. But there's the start down there. We're going to head down, get our bags dropped off and get going. Ready to get in. We're going to have a great time. Right.
Hello.
Day 1.
On the start line.
It's a bit early in the
Cold,
morning. And
it's wet.
It's not.
It's miserable.
It's
Cold or
absolutely roasting. We've just got Sanka from Cool Runnings with us, with his egg. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So this is day 1, 88 miles. So let's smash it out all the way through central London. We'll update you en route through some of the sites.
Siri doesn't like you.
Yeah, Siri's found something anyway. But, yeah,
Siri's found a bricklayer in London for
Pan
me.
around and show you the... And we're off, boys.
Can't wait to see you all at Windsor.
That was loud.
Cheers, guys. Thank you.
I get pumped now, and
Yo, started the ride revolution. Day 1, 88 miles. Happy days.
starting the route here. Are you waiting for you?
So we're about 5 minutes in, and John, he's bored already.
There you go.
Because he's had to stop at the red light.
1.
For bikes.
Imagine you put that stick through your forks.
Not good.
Right, mate.
They ain't going to be used to these northerners talking to them, are they?
No. Oi, mate.
Oh, mate!
Oi, got the geezer.
Hey. We're on the roads of London. Fucking crazy. Pardon my French, I'll beat that bit out. Bloody crazy. So, what are we, about 15 kilometres in, which has felt like a long time already this morning. Cycle lanes in London, which are crazy, and I've had a puncture already, which took us nearly 40 minutes and a mechanic to come and fix because my tyres are absolutely terrible. But we're at Tottenham Ground now, where AJ is going to be fighting tonight. So, all good, but the roads are, what would you say, John? Roads are a bit crazy at the moment.
Horrific. Scary.
Yeah, quite scary. Right, we got into London after fixing the puncture and all the hassle, trying to get my tyre back onto my carbon bloody wheels. Yeah, we're by the eye, by Westminster Pier. Town, how are you finding it?
It's good, man. It's good. Hard work dodging all these
traffic.
Yankees.
Get out of the way, love.
Oh, Governor.
Get out of the way, love. And he's taking a photo.
Dozen pairs.
And we're by Westminster.
Can't see no villa. Yeah.
There you go, Westminster Abbey in front of us. How you finding it?
Awesome.
John's full of excitement today. He's got the grump on him. He's got the grump on him because he had to wait for the punch to repair.
Your battery's nearly gone.
Oh, 11%? Oh, on the GoPro? Oh yeah, shit, yeah. Right, we're by the Oval. Cricket ground. So yeah. How are you getting on, John? Suffering with a cold, bless him. Not good on a big bike ride, is it?
Yeah.
Not good on a big bike ride at all. Oh, job done. Oosh. This one's for you, Ruth. Oosh. Tom, give us a... Oh, it's a